what we might do is we might just notice, like, how do I want to build this? How many would go in a cup, do you think? 10, but you have to be accurate. So you guys decide how you want to build it. So find your space and choose your collection. Math doesn't have to just be paper and pencil. Some of our learners actually learn best when it is tactile. A lot of times we're in such a rush to skip over that part. And we value symbolic thinking, paper and pencil thinking. But the reality is some of the best thinking that's happening in the classroom is oral or is being built as kinesthetic. They have a lot of drive when they're working with the materials because they're exciting and fun, and we can move them around, we can see them, which means a lot to first grade mathematicians because 54 doesn't mean much, but 5 cups of 10 that I got to build and 4 ones, I really know what that looks like, and I can show you how I built it, and that means something to them as they're building their number sense. The routine itself, because it's so fluid and so independent, gives them lots of options of how they want to explore the same task, and it gives me a chance to keep it open-ended.
These are called 10 frames, and they're how we organize and focus on the importance of the number 10 in our number system. So this problem right here is showing 9 dots here, right? And how many dots here? 6, right? So with a math strategy, instead of adding 9 and then 6, stacking them up, right, as we would with a standard algorithm, what our little learners would know and do is they take this one right over here and they say, oh my gosh, that is now 10, and 5 more means I have 15. That strategy is called making a 10. When educators are first introduced to these strategies, they're like, oh my gosh, I never learned it that way, and this makes so much sense. And almost 100% of the time they'll say, why didn't I learn it this way to begin with? To which, very responsibly, we say, when we know better, we should and can do better. Many people learn that they need to memorize and just move on. So the fact that we don't have to memorize and we can make sense of the math really resonates with teachers, parapros, administrators, anybody who works with children in math in our schools. Sense making in math, we are all capable of that. And we want to encourage that. Every single learner can develop fluency in mathematics.